Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we turn off guys Infinix phone find my device setting. Friends, you want to off your Infinix phone find my device setting guys. You don't want to use, so friends you can turn off. And friends, now let's see how can we turn off find my device setting in Infinix phone. So in this video I will show you. I first of all open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your phone security setting guys. Click on phone security, tap here. Third option guys, find my device guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your find my device setting is on. And friends, you want to off guys, you don't want to use, so friends you can off from the right side. After guys you can see find my device is off guys, we cannot. And guys you can sit turn on find my device, so you can find lock and reset this device it if it lost. So like that guys, you can off guys your find my device setting guys in your Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video with new topic. I hope friends you understood how to find my device in Infinix phone. Bye guys.